Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus and trigonometry. The topic we need to find the solutions of this one. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. Next, we have the second formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. Next, we have cosine x plus sine x. Similar for this one, we can do about factorization, and we got like this. So negative will change the sign of this one. So now, in this situation, we have two scenarios. The first one, that is about this one should be about positive, and this one should be about positive. And number two, that is about both of them should be about negative. Similar for this one. Now I will focus the first one. So I will put this one go to the right, and we have like this. So for the first one in here, we can put about the square root of number 2 over number 2 for the both sides. Because we have number 0, this one with number 0, you got number 0. And now we have the formula in here. This one, that is about sine of b over 4 and cosine of b over 4. So we need to transform this one into this one and this one. Now we have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. So about this one, we have the formula in here. The first thing we need to put about sine a equal to number 0. So 8 equal to kb. And k belongs to integers. So in this one, we have like this. So I will put this one go in here. Now we need to graph about this one. So this is about the graph. So we see that when k equals to number 0, so that is about this one. So we have s equal to negative b over 4. So this is about this location. And we have k equals to number 1. So we put number 1 go in here. And we have negative b over 4 plus b. And you got about 3b over number 4. But the red line in here, that is about number 0. And we know that we want to find this one is greater than number 0. So that should be both like this. And we need to select about this area in here. So because after we go to this way, they will go one round in the circle and return back to this location in here. This location, that is about 2b. Similar for this one, you got about 2b in here. And we got like this. Now let's go to this one. So we put the square root of number 2 over number 2 for the both sides. And then we have this one. So this one I need to transform into this one. And this one go in here and here. So we have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. So we can apply the formula in here. And that should be like this. And now 8, that is about this one. Or this is b. And b, that is about this one. So we put negative s go in here. b over 4 we cancel. This one we simplify and we got like this. And we have b over 2. Negative b over 2. So after we got everything, this one positive. So when k equals to number 0, k equals to number 0, we got about 0 and negative b over 2. But if we put the value below to number 0 in here, we got the value is greater than the square root of number 2 over number 2. Now, because from this 0 go to this way, we know that negative b over 2, that is about 3b over number 2. 3b over number 2. after we add about 2b in here, because this is about one circle. So if we greater than 3b over 2, this is greater than square root of number 2 over number 2. So the region we just focus in here, that is about this one. So we combine two values in here, and we have like this. Now we combine with this one. So in this one, we combine this one and this one. We see that k2b is greater than negative b over 4 plus k2b. So the bounds on the left, that is about k2b. This one, the bounds on the right, that is about this one, because this one is smaller than this one. So we need to select this one in here. Now we can do similar for this one. So this is the same technique, and you got the final answer, that is about. So this is the answer for the second one. So how can I get this one? From this point, we need to focus about this one in here, and that is from negative b over 2 to number 0 in here, because right now it's greater than the square root of number 2 over number 2. So this one, that should be like this. And this one, that is about this location in here. So that should be about like this. So because we go to below to the red line, negative 5b over 4, that is about 3b over 4. We minus 2b. We go back to one circle in here. That's why we got negative 5b over 4. But this one is bigger than this one, so we select negative b over 2. This one is smaller than this one, so we select negative b over 4. And this is the reason why we have this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.